Welcome to Mansion Diaries, your exclusive gateway into the world of breathtaking elegance, royal design, and next-level interior sophistication. In today's tour, we take you deep inside a series of ultra-luxurious mansion spaces, each crafted with exquisite attention to detail, blending bold colors, soft finishes, and architectural mastery to create the dream lifestyle of the world's elite. From the heart of opulent living areas to wide and open kitchens, from sparkling spa rooms to private wellness gyms, from cozy yet upscale lounges to soft silk-covered bedrooms, and from immersive outer facades to elegant interior washrooms, all of these mansion elements are carefully curated to form a symphony of beauty, luxury, and refinement. These dreamlike interiors come together to form one cohesive visual narrative, an estate where every inch breathes style and status. Imagine stepping into an expansive living room wrapped in bold royal purples and deep violets, where marble floors mirror the sparkle of crystal chandeliers and velvet textures surround you with softness and richness. Walk into kitchens that are wide and immersive, glowing with lavender accents and polished surfaces, where each corner feels like it belongs to royalty. The coffee table alone isn't just a piece of furniture, it's a carved mineral gem glistening under ambient light, surrounded by plush textures and artistic elegance. Continue into bedrooms that feel like clouds, ultra-wide, topped with flowing cloth canopies, filled with rich textiles, and blessed with architectural softness. Move deeper into family dens designed for relaxation and grace, blending comfort with upscale furnishings and a warm ambience that draws everyone together in style. This mansion experience doesn't stop at aesthetics. Within the walls lies a personal sanctuary of wellness, a full spa room equipped with steam, sauna, massage tables, and aromatherapy touches that awaken all the senses. Beside it, a private gym echoes modern power, fitted with cutting-edge machines, full-length mirrors, and a color scheme that energizes as much as it impresses. Even the washroom isn't just functional. It's a royal retreat of white marble, gold trims, and mineral-veined surfaces that turn everyday routines into rituals. And when you step outside, the mansion's outer facade is nothing short of a fantasy, a cascading palace of arches, domes, terraces, and staircases flows down into a reflective canal, surrounded by glowing lights, lush palms, and carved stone detail, an architectural masterpiece that stands as both art and home. Now let's talk about what truly defines these spaces, not just how they look, but what they represent. Every corner of these mansions radiates personality, status, and timeless elegance. The materials used are premium, real marble, velvet, mineral crystals, imported gold-plated finishes, and handcrafted wooden pieces carved with care. These aren't just rooms, they're environments that evoke emotion and elevate the human experience. The harmony between the color palettes, deep purples, creamy whites, soft lavenders, and shimmering metallics creates a feeling of serenity, romance, and strength all at once. Each light source, whether it's from a chandelier, wall sconce, or LED backlight, is placed not just for illumination, but for atmosphere. The air carries delicate notes of lavender, orchid, and eucalyptus, scented layers that match the visual richness. These mansions are designed with a rare understanding of both scale and intimacy. The rooms are large, yet they feel personal. The layouts are grand, yet nothing feels wasted. Every square foot is composed with balance, proportion, and luxury in mind. Function and beauty intertwine perfectly, from the layout of the spa to the comfort of lounge areas, from the sleekness of the kitchen to the embrace of the bedroom. The spatial design promotes flow, ease, and natural comfort, while holding on to that unmistakable wow factor. You don't just live here, you feel every moment here. As for value, properties designed to this level of opulence sit at the top tier of global real estate. Their prices vary depending on location and customization, but homes like these can start from $20 million to well beyond $100 million. But their true value goes beyond price tags. They represent a legacy, a lifestyle, a living work of art. These aren't just homes, they are statements of who you are and what you believe in. Refinement, success, vision, and beauty without compromise. This is the world of Mansion Diaries, where every episode brings you closer to the life most only dream of. If you've ever imagined waking up in a silk-draped bed beneath a crystal canopy, sipping coffee at a mineral-cut table, or descending marble steps